Athens Stadium, Otieni Shecht, Olympics begin. King Georgios I, Regal, commands attention. King Georgios I of Greece stands tall, his regal presence commanding the attention of the vast crowd. 13 nations converge in a symphony of pride, their athletes marching forward with faces beaming with hope and anticipation. A pivotal moment in history, as the screen declares. April 6, 1896. The modern Olympics are reborn. In ancient Olympia, a vibrant tapestry of athleticism and devotion unfolds as athletes engage in fierce contests. Amidst the fervor of competition, the spirit of Zeus watches over the sacred grounds, blessing the ancient Olympic Games. In the heart of the Roman government chamber, Emperor Theodosius I seals the fate of an era with the stroke of a quill. The decree is finalized, marking the end of the Olympic Games. Through the mists of time, the Olympic Games fade into oblivion. Stadiums crumble, crowds dwindle, and athletes lose their fervor. The chilling proclamation echoes through history. 393 AD, the Games are abolished. In the heart of Paris, 1894, Pierre de Coubertin ignites the room with his impassioned vision to resurrect the Olympic Games. Delegates from across the globe, a tableau of curiosity and doubt etched upon their faces, absorb Coubertin's daring proposal. A moment of unified accord nods of agreement ripple through the assembly, sealing the fate of a dream reborn. On-screen text proclaims 1894, a vision for revival, marking the dawn of a new era in sporting history. In the Panathenaic Stadium, athletes from around the world converge, their determination etched in every sinew as they resurrect the ancient games. The stadium vibrates with energy as the first modern Olympians push their limits, each stride, stroke, and grapple echoing the spirit of legends. Amidst the fervor, the marathon unfolds, a grueling test of endurance as runners trace the heroic path from Marathon to Athens. The echoes through the stadium, the first marathon. Each bead of sweat tells a story of ambition, resilience, and the dawn of a new era in athletic history. Inside the IOC headquarters, Pierre de Coubertin bears the burden of the Olympic Games' fragile beginnings, his face reflecting both vision and weariness. Archival footage flickers to life, showcasing the humble origins and gradual ascent of the Olympic Games towards global recognition. On-screen text declares Coubertin's legacy. The Olympic Stadium stands as a colossal arena where athletes converge from every corner of the globe, embodying the spirit of competition. Sprinting, swimming, gymnastics, and more. A vibrant montage of athletic prowess unfolds, each moment a testament to human potential and dedication. The Olympic flame dances with unwavering brilliance, a timeless beacon of unity and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Global Games, a timeless echo